Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this nut in 3D. I'm doing it in Maya. So we'll start with a 6-side cylinder. Select the top faces and delete all the remaining faces. Then select the outer edges of the nut and extrude it downwards. We need this one side to make the whole nut. Now we're just gonna put 2 lines like this. We need this one side to make the whole nut. Now set the rotation absolute value to 60 degrees since there are 6 sides in the nut. So we are gonna be duplicating and rotating this 6 times. After duplicating and rotating, now combine and merge the vertices together. We have the 6 sides ready. Now it's time to do the inner side. Select the inner edges by double clicking and making sure you select both the upper and lower inside edges. Now hold shift and extrude it towards the inner side. When you have done this, we want to circularize the edges like this, and by pressing R, expand it towards the boundary. Now we want to extrude it another time to complete the inner part. Once we have done that, bridge both the upper and lower faces to fill the mesh. You must have noticed that all 6 sides of the nut are lowered down a little bit. So just grab all the vertices from the upper and lower sides, and by pressing R, bring them together just by a tiny bit. After you have done this, you need to hard surface the mortar like this.